to the tights that you like, they are see-through. Yes, you can rock those even when I don't